All right, welcome back to another YouTube video. This video is going to be about a classic trade breakdown of BTC, which I took on Thursday. So we're gonna be using both candlesticks and TPO chart to analyze what was the logic behind taking this period, and we will discuss later. So if we switch to 1 weekly time frame, you can see the sell. This was a small sell liquidity here, and this low was pretty good, and we were jumping from these highs we haven't taken previous this old week high. We just given the week here, and it was rejecting from this side. And in last video we discussed that this low will be my target, and it hit that low. Now we're rejecting from this, but if we see on daily time frame, we have closed above daily candles. So I want to see how it reacts here, and goes to upper values like this order block, this this high. So all these highs gonna be a good zones to watch for price to react. So this was the day which I took trade. This was 10th of April, and price was reacting from this order block. You can see, let me mark it. Hmm. So price was rejecting from this order block, and on hourly time frame, if you see here, let me open the hourly time frame. So my basic trade area was after closing below this low. This was a little swing low, broke swing low, and it gives the SFP. Sorry, gives the SFP here. And personally, I love to trade SFPs because personally, this is my favorite trading setup after SFP and opposite liquidity. So this was SFP here on the higher time frame. Wait, let me just move all these candles so that you can see clearly. So this is the SFP here. We got- So SFP is basically just taking the, let's suppose this is a swing here. Price just take this swing and closes below, closes like this is the swing here, and price just weaks the swing and doesn't closes below it, and goes to the opposite side of liquidity. So this is the basic SFP meaning. So after hitting this daily order block, we see some bearish change in trend and SFP. Then my simple target was this was my little long target, but I didn't hold it till that. I was just waiting for this, um, just tap the breaker here. You see, this is a breaker. So if you see, this is a breaker of the move. Breaker is basically just taking a swing. This is a breaker here. This is a bearish breaker, and this is the uh, bullish breaker. Like broke a swing and another taking from this zone. Sorry, this side taking rejection from this zone. This is the breaker block. Okay, this is ICP breaker block, and same thing you can see here. Overall, if you see, this is the whole breaker here. Okay, this is the whole breaker. You can mark this whole as breaker, but precisely this is a breaker candle we can see. And when it closes below this, you can see when this candle, big red candle closes below this, sorry, black candle closes below this, and it re against to the breaker. And this is order block also. So basic trade execution was this. Idea was this, that I will short the breaker after SFP. This was a good setup, and we are rejecting from this daily order block also. And this was too much impulsive move for me. If you see this much impulsive move, so it needs a retracement to some of the zones here, like to continue from here, like some zone here. And you can see this FEG got filled here, this FEG failed, and we can see some rejection from here for upside, because not of gonna be like this only from here. It's gonna break higher high and goes directly to above highs. It's gonna be some retracement. So this was just a basically retracement capture of this trade. So I just take you through the hourly time frame and weekly TPO here. So this is the true one is the alright. Let me remove all the drawings to become more clear. So this was basic this previous profile TPO here, POC and POC, sorry. So this was the previous profile and POC here, and rejection was pretty cool. So we got POC plus if you see small POI here, right? If you see there's a small POI here, that too got disrespected. So it's totally in hindsight. Right? A basic reason for this POC, we got rejection from here, and this impulse move basically just if you want to go up, then you will need to some sustainable this at this point to for upper values like this well very high. Moreover, this uh, ledge here you can also use it as a zone for target because ledge also acts as a good reversal zone and target zone. Like the price action is bullish, so ledge can also be a good target. So that is basically this buy tail. This buy tail. This is a ledge here, and we have a value high above this high. So it's basically I want to just take a retracement trade. This was just a retracement trade here. Okay, the basic idea was this only. And here is the this daily TBO here, and you can see there is a price was opened outside the range. So so the previous value area was very far from this range, so it has to come back to this range and it gets rejection from here for upper continuation. So this was also a pretty good idea, like rejection from POC, weekly POC, and coming from opening outside of the range. So this was a particular good trade idea to execute this short. And let me take you to the Hyro platform for execution. We will discuss execution here. So this is one of the three platforms which Hyro Funder provides, and personally, I love the execution in here. It was pretty smooth, and you can see where I shorted, and this was where I booked the target. So pretty good trade for this, and after the price goes up, and you can see that price continuing going up, and so this was the basic trade breakdown of BTC. And if you want to purchase the hydro-funded account, you can do check out them. Link is in description. Thank you for watching.